अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कैफ़ा हालुकुम?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बिखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। कैफ़ा हालुकुम अंती?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिखैरिन बाग़ाफ़िया। Um, how's going your practice, everyone? Nida, how's going your practice session? And yes, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, fine. Practice sessions are going good. Last week I wasn't well, so I was just able to take only one session. The second session is still due, and inshallah I'll try to manage time today or tomorrow according to their consensus, and will take the other class. During the practice session, what is request? All the students, what is their request is that if we will take out little time in any one of the class, and we can do practice, we will request teacher, means we will request you to do practice with us, question and answers practice or whatever exercises there is, because Zainab was there and other students, or I don't know, might have this issue also, that they are forgetting the previous one because we are going forward. So now every week the practice of the same topic, it's being so much, exercises are so much that though I'm giving 1 hour for each session, it's 2 hours per week,
Mm-hmm.
then also it is not able to complete, because first chapter revision and then we are coming to a practice of same chapter, and 3 chapters a week, or sometime it's being more than 3 chapters to exercises of all the chapters. It's not easy to finish in 2 classes,
Yeah,
and to conduct
I
more
think
than this class is really, for me, it's
I think
maximum what
I want to
I
say
can
after 5 units, I think we need a revision, complete revision. After 5 units,
hmm,
we will do 1 or 2 classes for the revision. Actually, I need to cover it up till 6 months because, as I told you earlier, that it's a kickstart kind of course
hmm,
in which we will get to know about the grammar, and we want to know the proper familiarity towards the Arabic language. And I'm really concerned with it. That's why I make sure that each and every single session would be recorded. So, with the help of recording, also you guys can do the exercises. And so many times I also told you that if there would be any query, if you are getting stuck in between any of the thing, any of the word vocabulary or understanding towards the things or sentences, so you guys can discuss about that. Okay. Definitely, inshallah, I will try my level best to take out the time for one more class in a week, as we take 2 classes in a week. So I am trying my level best that I would get some time for having a practice session as well with you guys. So inshallah ta'ala, in future, like in coming weeks, inshallah, I'll definitely do a third class, like for the purpose of having practice. And also, that's why I told you earlier that you guys have to do the practice sessions for that purpose. And as well as we get the grip to understand and making sentences on regular basis. And as you are seeing, all of you are seeing that in every single dialogue, we can see different vocabulary, and we can come to know the way how to make sentence. I hope making sentence is easier to you now after passing through almost 4 units. Yes, we have to start another unit, but today I have to cover the previous verses as we have discussed earlier. In last class, Nida, you were asking about file, isme file. So I want to prefer to discuss about the grammar today's class and tomorrow's class as well. So that's why actually my laptop is having trouble, a lot of trouble, and I am trying my level best to open up the book. Can somebody give me a favor? Open up the book and share the screen so we can discuss. Actually, I'm trying my level best to go the same unit which we were discussing in last class, and it is taking so much time. Yes, Nida or else someone else. Can anyone share the screen and open up the book?
Yeah, I'm opening up the book. Just give me a minute, okay?
Yeah, I'm trying my level best to open the book as well. But it's getting stuck. Today my laptop is hanging a lot, so that's why it is taking so much time.
I opened up the book, teacher, but I cannot share it because I'm not the host.
Okay, I'm able
How to?
yes.
Uh,
Uh, yes, Nida, here you go. I have made you host. Now you can share the screen.
now, how to share the screen? I
Uh,
put it on share, but I'll go to screen. There are options in that. I'll go to screen.
yeah, there is an option share. You have
Start casting a recording with the Zoom will have access to the information. Start now. Make
recording is going
records.
on. You just have to share the screen.
Wait, just wait. You can see anything?
Uh,
Wait, just wait. Wait.
yes, Nida.
You can see now.
Yeah, I can
Wait,
see.
just give me a minute. It's ad. I need to finish it. Now you can see.
Yes, but screen.
Okay.
Can you please pin? Wait a minute. You are host, so you can pin yourself, I guess.
Just which page do we not
Okay.
need to go?
What?
No, yeah, because it's a complete book. I need to reach to the page. What you're teaching today, and I need to reach there. I have a complete book in a form of a scanner. A scanned PDF form I have. So you can see I'm flipping the pages. You can see me flipping it. Hello.
Yes. Wait a minute. We were.
We have finished this chapter. Means our chapter was Salat. We have finished that unit Salat.
But I want that page where we were discussing about Zahibun. I really want to discuss about that.
Zahibun. Mm, it's in unit. Can you please guide me in which Hawar it was? Unit Hawar Awwal Hawar Sani Zahibun.
Wait a minute. Nida, we can do one thing. Wait a minute.
Hmm.
My pages have open also. Wait a minute. Let me check. Nida, can you open
Hmm.
up the first unit? Because instead of wasting time,
First,
yes, first unit
the
you
first unit means first unit of acha, okay, the first one, the ISMI one.
yeah, exactly. Because today my laptop is not
Uh,
working properly and
Okay, fine.
open up the book and
I'll
yeah.
go to the first unit.
So on
You can see me flipping. You can see me flipping the pages.
first unit, at the end of the first unit, where verses are,
Uh,
yes, verses are there. This is the Al-Wahd.
okay, attahiyatu. Acha,
Yeah,
taruf one. Okay.
yeah.
Acha, okay. I'll go to the first unit.
End
At
of
the
it.
end, there are
Wait,
units.
wait.
There are verses. Yes, I have reached there. See,
Yeah,
it's a page number, if I'm not wrong, it's page number 36.
exactly, I guess. Okay, so all right, wait, because I can't see it properly on my screen.
You can see
Can see
now?
screen properly? Everyone can
Is,
see
is,
the Nida's screen
is
properly?
it visible to everyone?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, I guess first, because I can't see your screen properly at my side, screen is very small and I can't see it properly. So, first verse might be, which surah is it?
Surah Doha.
Surah Doha, all right. And verse number 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, who will recite it?
If anyone is not there, then I can recite it.
Me?
Yeah,
Rabia?
sure. Go ahead.
Well, well,
Who is reciting? I can't hear the voice. Is my voice audible?
آخرة لا
Hashir,
Yes.
you were reciting, but
जी
I can't hear. Everyone can hear the Hashir's voice?
Yes, yes. I can hear him.
Okay, Hashir, can you repeat it again? Okay, all right. Walal,
yes,
yeah, carry on.
yes. وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى.
Okay, everyone can listen me?
Yes.
Okay. This verse is from Surah Doha, verse number 4. It is walal akhiratu khairun laka minal ula.
Mm.
So walal akhira, wa means and. Okay, lal akhira or पिछली हालत और बाद का दौर. Like we can say the after hereafter. Hereafter would be better for you. Everyone can listen to me.
Yes, I can
Yeah.
listen.
Yes, you are audible.
So it means walal akhiratu and the hereafter is better for you. Khairun laka, better for you. Minal ula, then the first life. Ula means first life. Okay, va means and, lal akhiratu, the hereafter for you. Li, we used to say li for harfijar for. Okay, walal akhiratu khairun laka. Laka means you. Minal ula, then the first life or from the first life. Like the hereafter would be better than your first life or from your first life. It means I can translate it in Urdu as well. और यकीनन आगे आने वाले हालात तुम्हारे लिए पहले हालात से बेहतर होंगे. ओके, या आखिरी हालात जो होंगे वो आपके पहले सिचुएशन से बेटर होंगे. I hope everyone can understand this verse as we have learned so far about the Arabic. Yes. Can you tell me, everyone?
Yes.
It's easier to understand, right? Yes, Nida, Sumaira.
Yes, yes, I can understand.
Okay, in chat box. Wait a minute. Who texted? Yeah, it's a first chapter. It's first unit. I told you earlier that we are leaving these verses as we don't have the understanding towards the Arabic language. So after doing some unit, we will discuss about these verses. So this is the first unit, Sumaira is asking. This is the first unit, and at the end of the first unit, there are some verses over there you can watch. Okay, next verse is Al-Khabisatu lil-Khabisina wal-Khabisuna lil-Khabisati. This is from Surah Noor, verse number 26. All right, so what does it mean? That
The bad,
the bad women, yeah,
the bads
Bad
are for
men,
bads.
bad men for bad girls and bad girls for bad men.
yeah. Al-Khabisatu, what does it mean? Who will tell me?
The bad men's, the bad ones.
The bad.
Al-Khabisat are women, like evil women or bad women. For lil, li for Khabisina means for evil men, and wal Khabisuna and evil men for lil Khabisati for the evil woman. All right. Again, I'm repeating the evil women are for evil men, and the evil men are for the evil woman. खराब औरतें
Acha, one thing,
के लायक हैं
one
और
thing that I
खराब
want
मर्द.
to ask
Yes, sure.
is in al khabisatu, how we will come to know this is for. There should be some particular word that will refer that this is we are talking about women's. Okay,
See,
and and in lil khabisina there should be something that refers that we are talking about here men, because see in first khabisina there is in second khabisuna ho gaya, so khabisina bhi men's hai and khabisuna bhi men's hai, so what
yes,
is the difference between them?
yeah. See, khabisina means two, and khabisuna are plural,
Okay.
as we have discussed in
Mhm.
earlier about
Okay.
these kind of things, if you remember.
We
Okay,
have discussed it, but
yeah, these
we
are
because we never converted the word, so it's still that
exact.
that is the something.
Yeah, I told you that we need to work on that, and we will, inshallah. I already told you guys that how can we make the uh, plural and dual. And when we understand all of those things, so automatically we understood that khabisati and khabisina or khabisuna, what would be the difference? So here in the Quran, the plural and dual they were talking about. Okay. Next verse is from Surah Maryam, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so it's 59 verse, and it's فَخَلَفَ مِن بَعْدِهِمْ خَلْفٌ أَضَاعُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَاتَّبَعُوا الشَّهَوَاتِ فَسَوْفَ يَلْقَوْنَ غَيًّا. All right, فَخَلَفَ means I'm translated in Urdu, so you can easily know. Then we will discuss in English. فَخَلَفَ is फिर जानशीन हुए. Min means from. बादिहिम मिम बादिहिम इनके बाद. खल्फुन चंद जानशीन और ना खल्फ. अदाऊ उन्होंने गंवा दी. अदाऊ अस्सलात नमाज. वत्तबऊ ताबेइन ताबा मीन्स इत्बा करना, पैरवी करना. सो वत्तबऊ और पैरवी की.
टीचर वत्तबू वाली सूरत यहाँ नहीं है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ सलाद पे खत्म कर दिया है.
Okay, इन्होंने they have given the very short verse. Okay. فخلف من بعدهم wait a minute. Yes. खल्फ अदाउ सलात. सलात तक है यहाँ पे. एंड इसमें आप यू कैन से फिर इनके बाद वो नाखल्फ लोग इनके जानशीन हुए जिन्होंने नमाज को जाया किया. ओके, अदाहू का मतलब जाया करना. ऑल राइट. एंड खल्फ इन्होंने जानशीन को बोला है. लेट मी ट्रांसलेट. But there came after them successors who neglected prayer. That this is the incomplete verse, by the way, but we need to understand that how the way in Quran Arabic goes. Okay. And also, I would prefer that you guys have to ponder these verses as well. Right now, we are only trying to understand the word by word translation. All right. Okay. So next one is Surah Zamar, verse number 2. Wait a minute. Yes. Basically, they have given these verses for the tajweed. So we can repeat it out loud at home with tajweed. So we can understand how can we pronounce these verses. Inna anzalna ilaykal kitaba bil haqqi fa'budillaha mukhlisan lahuddin. Inna, inna means, I already told you earlier that it means indeed, बेशक. Anzalna, anzalna, na. अनजल के बाद जो ना आ रहा है इट मीन्स हमने जो नहनु पढ़ा है वी के लिए, हमने नाजिल किया, बेशक हमने नाजिल किया, इलैकल किताबा, इलैका मीन्स तुम्हारी तरफ, टूवर्ड्स यू, इलैका टूवर्ड्स यू, इलैकल किताबा टूवर्ड्स यू, द बुक, बिल हक्की, with okay, बिल हक्की, हक के साथ, be I told you be with, be we can use with, fa'budillaha, बस अल्लाह की इबादत करो. फा we used to say like bus or different kind of things. Later on we will come to know about that. fa'budillaha, बस अल्लाह की इबादत करो, मुखलिसन लहुद्दीन, मुखलिसन खालिस करके, लहू उसी के लिए, लहू उसी के लिए, for him, as we have discussed, lahu, laha, laka, laki, li, right? For him, उसी के लिए, for him, lahuddin, for him, दीन इबादत. मीन्स इसका एक प्रॉपर ट्रांसलेशन ये है, ए मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, ये वर्स हमारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से मुखातिब होते हुए की गई है. ये किताब हमने तुम्हारी तरफ बरहक नाजिल की है, लिहाजा तुम अल्लाह ही की बंदगी करो, दीन को उसी के लिए खालिस करते हुए. बट इन्होंने यहाँ पे बहुत छोटी सी, यानी इन्होंने फ़ाबुदिल्लाह मुखलिसन लहुद्दीन, यानी इन्होंने आखिर की जो वर्स का पार्ट है वो उन्होंने सिर्फ मेंशन किया है, यानी बस अल्लाह की इबादत करो उसी के लिए खालिस करते हुए, इसका ये मतलब है. ऑल राइट. मीन्स हम इसको एंड से इन इंग्लिश वी कैन ट्रांसलेट दैट, इन ट्रूथ सो वर्शिप अल्लाह, बीइंग सिंसियर टू हिम इन रिलीजन. Next is verse number 6. Verse number 6 is, wait a minute. وَمَن يَبْخُلْ, wait a minute. Yes, ये है निदा, your yes. वमई यबखुल फ़इन्नमा, मुझे जेर ज़बर नजर नहीं आ रहे, एक सेकेंड.
मैं पढ़ देती हूँ. मैं असल में ये वहां से है नहीं, ये भी सूरत आधी भी बीवी है.
जी
ये
जी.
है यखलुकुकुम फी बुतूनी उम्महातिकुम खल्कन मिन बअदि खलक.
ओके, एक सेकेंड. यस, वमई यबखुल फ़इन्नमा.
नहीं, ये तो नीचे वाली है. ये सूरह मोहम्मद की सूरत है. आप
ओके, मैं
वमई
नीचे
यबखुल फइन्नमा, हाँ, जो
फ़ाबुदिल्लाह.
उस, हाँ, वो है जो यहाँ पे जो लिखी है वो यखलुकुकुम से शुरू हो रही है.
ओके, यखलुकुकुम फी बुतूनी उम्महातिकुम खल्कम मिन बादी.
हम्म.
इज इट करेक्ट?
Yes,
मादी
yes.
खलक, ओके। यखलुकुकुम
Ma-
फी बुतूनी उम्महातिकुम खल्कम मिन बादी खल्किन। सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स वो पैदा करता है। यखलुकुकुम, if you remember, we have learned हुआ हुमा हुम, हिया हुमा हुन्ना, he
Hmm.
huma huma hum. I told you hum is plural, and here
Hmm.
it's using yakhluqukum, वो पैदा करता है तुम्हें, यानी बहुत सारे लोगों से बात की जा रही है। अंता अंतुमा अंतुम, सो यहाँ पे तुम से बात कर रहे हैं, तो यखलुकुकुम इज गिरदान ऑफ अंता अंतुमा अंतुम। अल्लाह ताला पैदा करता है तुम्हें, यखलुकुकुम, ही he creates you all, फी बुतूनी, फी बुतूनी means in your belly,
Okay,
के
yes.
पेट
Button is stomach.
में,
Yes.
राइट। उम्महातिकुम, तुम्हारी माएं, खलकन मिन बादी खलकिन, तुम्हारी माएं एक कैफियत में के बाद दूसरी कैफियत में। बस इन्होंने यहाँ तक दिया हुआ है, बट इसका ये बेसिकली तर्जुमा है कि वो पैदा करता है तुम्हें पेट में, तुम्हारी माएं एक कैफियत के बाद दूसरी कैफियत में, तारीकियों में, तीन तीन तारीकियों में। लाइक इसका प्रॉपर ट्रांसलेशन ये है कि
500 बार छुट्टी कर रहा
उसी ने तुम्हारे लिए मवेशियों में से 8, नो या ये नहीं है, ये यहाँ से है कि तुम्हें अल्लाह ताला ने पैदा किया, वो तुम्हारी माओं के पेटों में तीन तीन तारीक पर्दों के अंदर तुम्हें एक के बाद एक शक्ल देता चला जाता है। इन्होंने इनकम्प्लीट वर्स दिए यहाँ पे, हम इसको पूरा पॉन्डर कर सकते हैं। यू गाइस कैन टेक आउट after getting free from the class and do the practice regarding this. We have 9 minutes left, and inshallah I'm trying my level best कि हम जो है वो नेक्स्ट सेशन और कर सकें। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट वर्स है सूरह मोहम्मद की, वमन यबखुल फइन्नमा यबखुल अन नफ्सिही। एम आई राइट?
Yes, yes. وَمَنْ يَبْخُلْ فَإِنَّمَا يَبْخُلُ عَنْ نَفْسِهِ.
एग्जैक्ट।
عن نفسه.
वमन,
Yes.
और जो, यबखल, बुखल करता है, फाइन्नमा, तो उसके सिवा नहीं, यबखलू, वो बुखल करता है अपने आप से। इसका बेसिकली हम ट्रांसलेशन इस तरह कर सकते हैं कि तुम में से कुछ लोग हैं जो बुखल कर रहे हैं, हालांकि जो बुखल करता है वो दर हकीकत अपने आप ही से बुखल कर रहा है। ठीक है, तो इसकी ट्रांसलेशन और पॉन्डरिंग ज़रूर करें। बेसिकली इसका ट्रांसलेशन आई होप हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई है कि हम, जो इंसान जितना बचाता है वो बेसिकली अपने लिए, अपने आखिरत का सामान कर रहा होता है, अपनी आखिरत के लिए बुखील बन रहा होता है। एनीवेज, तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं। लास्ट वाली 2 वर्सेस आप लोगों ने खुद करनी है, देख कर आना है, और फिर इसको हम नेक्स्ट में डिस्कस कर लेंगे। अभी मैं चाह रही हूँ कि हम लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द grammar, as we have stuck in between the grammatical things. So proper grammar मैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट, मैंने लास्ट वीक कहा था कि हम नेक्स्ट वीक से स्टार्ट करेंगे, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट कि हम पहले वर्सेस जो भी हमने पिछले whatever the unit we have done, we have to discuss about the verses and then we will have to start covering the grammar. साथ साथ like side by side you have to do the practice of units, dialogues, whatever we have done. अच्छा, उसके अलावा let's discuss about the fa'il. Let me check if I can I
I have one suggestion, teacher, if you can please
yeah,
consider it.
yeah,
Before going to verses, I will suggest that we should know how to convert a singular to plural and plural to multiple. Small sentences which can, which can give this basic understanding of converging from one to double and then multiple, because this is something really confusing. It's because at my end I kept doing this, and still after so much practice, then also, I have difficulty to understand when a singular male is converting to dual male and then multiple male. It's not about a single word, I'm talking about sentences, because once we are converting a complete sentence to plural, so we have to change number of word, every word should be changed into multiple. In that verb also should be changed into multiple, and reference also means if you're referring to single, that also should be changed to multiple. So
Okay.
this is something difficult to go with. If we will understand this part of grammar, only this part of grammar, to how to convert a singular to plural and then plural to multiple. I know you have given the chart in which you informed us, okay, if it's singular, it is hua, hia, how to convert into antuma, antum, antunna, it's all about. But learning that chart will not bring us to, to a perfection, or you can say to a understanding. Only learning chart will not help us out.
I
Though I learned it, I mugged it by heart, but still converting to sentences is different practice. Small sentences, three word sentences or 4 word sentences, which we can convert. If same sentences, we'll keep to singular, and then we will change it to dual, and then they will change it to plural. So that will give understanding how to convert from hatan, hazan, and hum, hua, and in then other sentences as well.
Nida, these things will go step by step. All of a sudden, if we will start working on them, so we will in a hazard because they will
Okay.
build up in our head. So I
Okay.
really want that you guys have to understand first about the vocabulary things. When we understand, when we know and memorize the vocabulary, automatically we will make, like, for instance, let's try whatever you are saying. Because Hazani Hatani, you are going ahead a lot. It's very long ago. Like we need to give it a break. Like Hazani
Okay,
Hatani
then. Okay.
is a part, like
No,
uh,
no, it's a suggestion. It's
I
only a suggestion,
I think
because you are a teacher, you know better how to go with. It was only a suggestion,
right.
because most of the time when I'm doing revision, the only thing that is difficult for people to understand is only a conversion.
That's why
This
I asked
conversion.
you guys that whatever in the beginning unit, first unit, when we whatever we have done, like detached pronouns and attached pronouns. So I told you earlier that don't go for the dual and plural for now. I just have given you all of those things to make yourself understand that what is the dual and what is the plural. But if we will not go step by step, and if we will want to jump on those things, so they would be jumbled up in our head, and automatically we will not able to understand that from where which word we can pick from for this thing and for that thing. So that's why we need to go step by step, and that's why I wanted you guys that firstly we need to practice with single, like with wahid word. If we can easily make simple sentences using Wahid, Mufrid, then we can go for the dual and plural. All of a sudden, if we will start making sentences including dual and plural, so we will be confused. But definitely,
Okay.
I'll see about it. Kindly make me host so I can share my screen, and I will tell, like, I want to see you guys
Okay, sure.
how can we make or add up dual or plural in this way. A little bit we can do practice. We have only 2 minutes left, so I'm not sure that we can start again or not. Otherwise, we will have a long class tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, and I will share some pictures in the group regarding that. Okay. Yes, Nida.
Definitely. Yes, I'm just trying to make you host. Okay. Make host. Want to make something? Yes. I made it.
All right, thank you. So I am going to share the screen. All right. Quickly, we can have a glimpse on that. Yes, here it is. I hope everyone can see my screen. Here you can see that. Wait a minute. Yes. Here you can see Aina Taskunu, right?
No,
Us.
it's on waiting. I don't know whether other people can see. It's on
Yes,
waiting. It's
everyone
not.
can see
I
my
cannot
screen.
see your screen.
It's not visible. Yes, now it's visible.
Now it is visible.
Okay, all right. So, like here, Aina Taskunu, I am asking, Askunu fi hayyil matar wa Aina Taskunu anta. Here, ये ले लेते हैं. Let's see this. Askunu fi shakka. He is asking hal taskunu fi baiti. Askunu fi shakka. Here, if I want to ask from two people, askunu fi hal taskunu fi bait. Here, for the verb, we need to understand how can we make dual and how can we make plural. So for that purpose, we need to learn the things which we didn't have done so far. Here, Shakkatika, ma rakmu Shakkatika. Like, what's your apartment number? So if I would ask from two people, my rakmu Shakkatikum, my rakmu Shakkatikuma. Are you getting my point? Like this you can make. Vama rakmu baitika. And what's your house number? If I would ask from two people, Vama rakmu baitikuma. If I would ask more than two people, Vama rakmu baitikum. So this kind of sentences you guys can make. You can add up instead of ka, you can kum or and kuma make, and for that purpose, ma rakmu baituhu, baituhum, baituhuma. Are you getting my point? Yes, everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, yes.
So
Who
this,
is for single male,
yeah,
Homa is for dual, and home is for multiple.